Hi, we're introducing the Type 5e interface module this year. It's a sister to a Type 5, which is a interface that's designed to be permanently connected to a sensing map. So this one has connectors, so you can connect it to a seat or a seat and back or a bed or a foot, and then it communicates conveniently with a USB connection. So USB powered, USB connected. Some people have asked, so I'd like to be able to do remote scanning, as in, say, Bluetooth remote, so as the individual is rolling down the hall in a wheelchair or walking, or say from one different surface to another in a retail bed environment where you don't want cables to the computers. So what we offer is a Bluetooth interface. So on the interface side, it plugs into the PC port as a transceiver. So this will communicate from the interface module to the computer. On the computer side is a small dongle, plugs into your USB port, a one-time setup, and we give the instructions to do that. It's very easy to do. And then it has a small stub antenna on it. If it turns out that you need a longer range antenna, so the stub is appropriate for indoor uses. If you need to be outside, for instance, in a equine application where you're doing saddle fitting or something like that, or some sport event, then this stub antenna will disconnect, and you can attach a high gain antenna, which will give you about 3 or 4 times the range that you had previously. The other decision, the other decision you have to make is how much battery life you need. So with the Type 5e, the standard is a 9-volt alkaline battery, plugs into the power point here. So that's the only time you'd use the power port on the Type 5 or 5e is when you're using it in remote mode, as normally you get your power from the USB. So 9-volt battery in here, a little switch on the top. That'll give you about 4 hours of life scanning time. If you want something that'll last a whole day, for instance in a retail application, again with our pod adapter that allows people to move the bed sensor from one retail bed mattress to another without any cables or wires connected, then you could use this rechargeable battery. This will give you a day's worth of scanning capability, and then you can recharge it overnight and it'll be ready again for the following day. So if you follow our instructions, it's very easy to set up the wireless application, and it's a very handy tool to have to be able to see dynamically what's happening with the individual. So thank you very much.